Good morning from Los Barriles, Baja California Sur, a place where the tranquility of the dawn meets the vibrant local life. Today we're going to explore one of the region's most special spots, a true paradise for those seeking peace, nature, and community. On the horizon, the first rays of the sun gently touch the sea as the fishing boats prepare for another day of work. Los Barriles, known for its serenity, is also a place of tradition where daily life follows the rhythm of the ocean. Here, calm is at the heart of the day. From the early hours, people connect with their surroundings, practicing yoga in front of the sea. Each breath, each movement harmonized with the ocean breeze, making this place the perfect setting to find balance and renewal. Los Barriles is also home to an active and close-knit community. Families and friends enjoy morning walks with their dogs, feeling the freedom of walking for miles along nearly pristine beaches. It's the perfect environment for those seeking a relaxed and healthy lifestyle. Every corner of Los Barriles invites exploration to enjoy its landscapes, its sounds, and its people. Whether for a peaceful retreat, an outdoor activity, or simply to enjoy the natural beauty, this destination has it all. If you're looking for a peaceful life in an amazing setting, Los Barriles is the place for you. With its perfect blend of nature, community, and serenity, it's more than just a destination, it's a lifestyle. If you've ever dreamed of living here, waking up every morning surrounded by this beauty, now is the time to make it happen. We'd love to help you find your piece of paradise in Los Barriles. I'm Sid Chacon, your real estate Sherpa in the Baja Sur. If you're ready to start your journey, message me. I'll guide you step by step no matter where you're from.